the solution to this example, first thing we need to do is over here work out the average. So the function we'll use is called average. So we'll search for it. There it is there. And all it asks for is what must it look at. I'm going to tell it to look at those cells there. And when I say OK, I get an answer of 4.71. We now can create the if function. So I'm going to find the if function, and the logical test I'm going to use, compare that cell. Is that cell bigger than? And I'm going to click on this cell over here. Now I can't leave it like that, because if I copy it down, the first one will look there, but the second one will look below it. So I need to put dollar signs on. So I'm going to use my shortcut F4. Now if this is bigger than that, now we're going to say this is above average, and we've put inverted commas around the text. If it's not, it must be below average. When I say OK, seems to have worked for that one. Let's copy it. It's always useful just to check. So go to one of the lower ones, do a trace precedent, and it looks like it's comparing that to that. So that seems to have worked out.